shit.
When I was a little girl, they said I was crazy, and they threatened to drown me. I got them back years later.
Alright. Let's see. Very nice.
Think I'm a bitch, huh? You gonna come with me or what? Get ready to get... What you saying?
CJ, you made it.
Mr. Bennett.
Hey, Carl.
Hey, baby.
Nice ride, man. That's no carucha. You sure you want to risk that, baby?
Yeah, I'm sure. How much they talking about?
It's hard cash, your pink slip in the pod. Con fuese. Then you pull up and race. The first past the post wins. Con chota sin chota.
Okay, for sure, I'm down.
Hey, watch us, CJ. These boys don't like to lose, eh?
Yeah, well, me either.
Follow me to the race, dude. Hey, keep up, Holmes.
Fuck off, mate. Hell yeah. Right, let's see if we get some graffitis here. I guess there's one. Ah, sure it is, you know. I already did those on the original version, but of course I couldn't load in my save game. So, the graffitis are also not done yet, but I have no problem with it. Oh yeah, get some fucking hot dog, mate. Hell yeah. I love the 3D textures here. So it's better than just a plain 2D picture. Alright, let's head home. Or can I ride this shit maybe? Nah. Not really. Yeah. Oh, I know these stairs from GTA 5, man.
I miss little Vincent so much. He loved to play baseball. I was driving him to practice. I guess I was busy making eyes at the guy driving next to me.
Real slick.
And then I noticed he was sticking his head out the window, his blonde hair blowing in the wind.
Honey, Vince's hair was black.
That's not the point. We're lucky he was adopted, so we just got another. It's my life, and I don't want to forget anything.
Documenting every moment of life is very important. Take plenty of pictures of your wife. You never know when she might leave you for another man. It's important to document your happiness while it lasts. And use Vakari Film. When your son wins the game, when your daughter gets herpes. Vakari Film. Memories of...
Fucking lowrider. Just take me back to SFUR, mate. Alright. So, we're actually playing with some restricted songs that shouldn't even be in here, but you know what, I don't fucking care. I'm just glad that I left the game open. Shit, sorry. What the fuck, alright. Thanks for commenting, Nemo Beep. Sorry I didn't look at it because I did the dancing. Yeah, so you can actually play it on the consoles, right? Because on PC, where I am right now, it's not really possible actually, but I let the game open. Since I did my little trick I made a video on yesterday. Since then I just technically I didn't close the game. That's why I still are able to play it. But it's not even available in the launcher. They completely removed it because they left some copyrighted songs in there, which they haven't the rights for it, you know. Let's head to the gym, mates. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Fucking 55 kilograms. Hell yeah.
Watch your opponent's eyes.
I think it's a little too easy, you know. It's like in the old GTA San Andreas, it was more of a challenge to actually. I mean, you need to hit your keyboard pretty damn fast to lift up 55 kilograms, and now you just wait and press one button and it just goes on from itself. That's pretty bad. And same goes for the dancing and lowrider stuff. You had to do 8 directions instead of 4, and twice or 3 times as much hits than now. So it's just, every mini game is just way too easy now. That's a con for me though. Alright, let's see what we got. Always buffed up, very nice. Let's do a quick save there. Or not actually first. Gonna grab a mech. No, it's not a mech, it's a tech, sorry. I had the pistol, of course, because I died last time, and yeah. Because of that, I haven't got any ammunition left. Fucking shit. Oh, that does work? Oh, I didn't figure it out since I played it. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Not as well, but I guess it does. Come on, mate. Fuck yeah. Alright, yeah, with the new game mechanics it doesn't work anymore. Alright. Fair enough, I guess. Let's do it the other way then. The classic way. Come on. Fucking Morgans. I'll try again and again and fucking again. Oh, nice. There we go. Perfect. To 100 rounds of the Tech 9. Well, if we do the dark mission, the robbing Uncle Sam. No, it's not robbing Uncle Sam. No, it is robbing Uncle Sam. Then I can pick up some M4s as well. So we get a bit of stock up of there. Grab the fucking cans. Alright, let's do this. I realized I only use the old selection menu with the mouse wheel. I just forget about that there's a weapon wheel now. Perfect. Let's go.
Hey, Ryder, what the hell?
Oh no, it's Catalyst, sorry.
Think I couldn't find that wet I buried, so I'm making my own. It's easy, fool.
Man, don't do that.
Fucking moron.
Morning, boys.
Man, who
Oh
you calling
no.
a boy, fool?
Well, what should I call you? Midget?
How about prick?
Prick.
Yeah, prick works.
Man, fuck you.
Bitch, get out of here. Smells good. What's cooking? Where's mine?
You fucking asshole
Chill out,
right.
aight? Move. Yeah, sweat me.
My wife loves this stuff, man.
Yeah, this bitch got a wife? I don't believe him.
Anyway, there's a train gonna make an unscheduled stop just down the way. It's got a, how you say, little something something on board for you boys. Square business, man.
Yeah, you little fuck. Piss off, mate.
Catch you later, homeboys.
Yeah, shut up, Pulaski.
Oh, Carl. Try not to kill any more respected police officers.
Yeah, shut up.
Crime has certainly gone up since you got back, kid.
Just doing my part for the community.
Hell yeah.
The train's gonna be there in 5.
Alright, let's ride. Let's get to there, mates.
You drive, CJ. Seeing as you missed the driver and all.
Not your shit, dude. Don't give me a hard time about my driving. I ain't got the energy for it, man.
Well, don't go roll the damn car over and blow us all up in flames then.
Nah, I ain't rising to your shit, man.
Good. Means you concentrate on the road then.
You love to give a homie a hard time.
Just trying to keep my soldiers alive, nigga.
By nagging them to death?
Watch the road, motherfucker. The road. Yeah, here we go.
That's how train.
Alright, get some cover.
Shit, look like some north
I learned from the military simulation. Perfect. No, I wanted to pick up those fucking. Oh, damn it.
Oh, what's this?
Oh.
We got ballers trying to grab
Probably I
some boys?
can.
Look like Camping told every gang in South Central.
Man, we gonna smoke those baller assholes. Go check out the train, CJ.
No, I need the ammo first, mate. Yeah, now I got some 250 shots. Alright.
Damn, what is that?
Chill out, fool. We gonna be right behind you.
I wonder how they
Throw me
stop
some
the train.
boxes, CJ.
Oh no! Not the fucking boxes, mate. My cat just came in. Oh shit.
Damn, not so hard.
Yeah, sorry, Ryder.
Keep 'em coming. Shit, I nearly dropped that.
Shit. Why the fuck do we need explosives in the first place?
And
Not
another
really.
one.
Sorry for my English, by the way. It's not my
Okay,
native language,
CJ,
as you can
that's
tell.
all I can carry. Hop in the car and stab
How the
out,
fuck
fool.
did I get off the train now?
Man, we got one time on our tail.
Oh shit. That's not good. Oh shit. Damn it.
Head back to Grove Street, fool.
Oh, the car actually feels heavier with the jets loaded. I'm surprised. Because that wasn't the case in the original game. It just felt light as anyway. Alright. He wants to go there. Shit.
Damn, homie, your stuff was tight.
Yeah, you too, homie.
LB's coming over to stash the shit.
Ugh, works for me.
Okay, later then.
Shit.
For life, CJ. For life, you heard?
Hell yeah, bitch. Got some fucking respect. Alright. Now let's catch up our weaponry. So glad that I placed them here. Would be a fuck shit hole if not. Imagine driving to Emmett over like every fucking single time. Alright. Come on, mate. CJ, you can do this, please. Ah, there we go. No, oh, fuck. Oh yeah, play some basketball later on. Because as you might know, I want to complete this 100%. Yeah, there's basketball, I guess it's on the list too. But I'm not sure about that. Alright, let's see. Muscles always up, condition fucked up, so that's what we do next in the gym. Get some fucking muscles. Come on, man. Oh, fuck it. You know what? Knock it off. Whatever. Now I want a knife. Give me the knife, bitches. Ah. Well, I guess money's fine too. Oh shit. 6 hours are not enough, I guess. Alright. So excited for Doberman, by the way. That we can go buy our weapons finally. Gain some stamina and come on, come on, come on. Fuck you, CJ, seriously. It was so easy in the original game.
Your girl got no nose.
Come on, pay me. I'm a career criminal.
Now we got no vehicle. That's bad. Alright, we can do rider or crash actually. Let's go and do a crash mission. Because that's hanging out there for a pretty damn long time, so yeah. Well, give me that actually. Thanks, mate. The fuck's wrong with your hair? I'm sorry. Alright, condition training's on the plan. Let's do that. Alright, get ready for some E-spam. Come on. What the fuck? Oh, it was E, not T. Shit. My bad. Come on, mate. Get on this. It's E, alright. E. What the fuck? Alright, let's start on 2. What the fuck? He walks from his fucking own? Holy shit. Why? Can you just let him idle on this or what? The fuck? Oh no, I have to spam. Yeah, I see. There we go. Run, CJ, run! Can we do 9? Hell yeah, we can. Nope. Can't hold up. Alright, let's do this. Actually, let's do 7. Because condition is more important than muscles, actually. Alright, it gets in my arms now. Nice. Better condition. Alright, doesn't look too bad. Let's do some weights. I think we can do one and then it's done. Like daily limit, you know. It's too bad that this doesn't work in real life. Like buffing up your muscles in 7 days, losing all your weight and stuff. That'd be nice. But yeah, sadly it isn't. Alright. Reach the limit for the day. Right, let's go on. Love this game actually.
Check it out, we got a shout out from Denise again for her man. Give her a call.
Denise.
She misses you, and she said
that's my girlfriend.
That's the word she used. She said she's desperate, man. What is this, man? This ain't Lonely Hearts. This is Radio Los Santos. It's all good though. We gonna
Denise is the one that lives right here. Right, let's save the progress. Actually, why? I just went to the gym and back. That's stupid. However. I'll move on. Oh, sweet scars there. Fuck it. Let's do the crash mission. Close the door, CJ. Thank you. Oh, this car is so fucking slow, man. Yeah, stand in my fucking way, you moron. Fuck shit. I love the fact that they drop money, because in the restricted European version of the game, there was no money drops. You had to actually unlock it with some safe game modding. It worked, but you know, it's nice to have it here vanilla. Oh yeah. Give me those tags. 16 of 100. Well, that's not a lot. Keep the eyes open for any more attacks.
Hey, Carl Johnson, CJ. Oh, shit. Come on over here, son.
Burning Desire. That's the mission where we get to learn this. Oh, shit.
Move over. Let him sit down, asshole.
Yeah.
So you finally found time to drop by.
Man, I've been busy. I've been burying my moms, man.
Sounds like a fucking excuse to me.
Officer Pulaski thinks you're trying to screw with us, Carl. Now you get this straight. We own you. You're ours. We can shit on you from such a height, you'll think God himself has crapped on you. You understand?
He better fucking understand.
Yeah, he better have. Time to go to work, CJ, and earn your freedom. There's a guy holed up across town. You got that address, Pulaski? Another gang-banging, drug-pushing, cop-killing bitch just like you. We don't like him, and he don't like us. Now you make sure he never leaves the neighborhood. Not even in a box. Get the fuck out of here.
All right. Oh damn, now it's lagging as fuck. What the actual fuck is going on? I think it's because of the stream. Because I mean it's not that extreme graphics, I guess. I mean there are way better looking, and not that it's bad. I mean it fits the style of the game. But I think there are more there are games that use the GPU way more than this one here, so that's weird. Shit. Oh, actually missed it already. Oh yeah, I remember that. Ah, you know what? Fuck this car, I hate it. Time to get some fucking Molotovs, mate. Nice. How many did I get? 25, yeah, fair enough. Yeah, I know that. Let's grab this car. Oh, it's a ballless car, yeah, fuck off, you piece of shit. Stupid assholes. Love the fact that the ballers are in the grocery in GTA 5, so you can go down and kill him. Actually...
Welcome to my humble shop.
Yeah, whatever. Let's get them shorts now. I actually not sure anymore. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. No, that was the wrong button. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, that's my outfit. Like, every time I play GTA I look the fucking same. For real. Every time. Oh, can I get glasses? So, no, not really, no. Fuck off. There are no green caps? No. Alright. Yeah, let's get a watch. Complete fucking nonsense, but... Here we go.
Do you come again, sir?
I won't. Don't be afraid. Perfect. Alright, let's light this fucking house up. Oh shit. Guess they will fucking fire at me as soon as I throw those Molotovs. Oh no. They will. Let's make our way forward. We're still alive, you pricks. Oh no, that was the wrong one. Perfect. Get ready for some enemy presence. Oh yeah, yep, definitely. Yeah, I'm pretty thankful that I got trained by Operations Command UK. So this way it's way easier for me to play these games without dying. For real now. Oh no, all of our graffiti will be gone now. I can see it already. That sucks. Ah, just jump out of the fucking window, mate. Ah, Jesus. Yeah. What was the way again? Yeah. Oh, come on. That sucks. For real. Alright. Let's get up there. It's complete bollocks.
Stand back.
Yeah, I fucking do, you stupid cunt. Yeah, shut the fuck up.
Oh my God, what was that? Hey, the
It
building's
was a
starting to
wall.
collapse. We gotta get out of here fast.
Jeez. Calm
Hold
down.
on, we nearly there.
Quickly! Quickly!
Yeah, you can do it by yourself then. I have no problem with that. Yeah, stand in front of the fucking fire extinguisher and get shot. Good idea. Really. No, no, I let you burn, bitch. Yeah, stand in the fire. Great idea. Money.
Give me them chips.
Nice. We lost muscles. That's not a great message there. Oh my god, this AI sucks. Get the fuck over here. Yeah, I see the problem. It's in your path, right? There we go. Yeah, perfect.
Hey man, I owe you my life.
Yeah, that's how you get the girlfriend, guys.
I was nearly dead there for sure.
Hey, you look pretty shook up, girl. You want me to take you home?
Yeah, please, thanks.
They're always alone, even with someone they
Where you live?
Just off Grove Street.
No shit. What you doing in Vargo's hood?
I like to live dangerously. You're CJ, right?
Yeah, how you know me?
Everybody in the Grove knows you and your brother. I thought you'd run away.
I never ran away, okay? I just needed to get away from shit.
This is my place here.
Hey, what's your
I
name?
told you already.
Denise Robinson.
Yeah,
Call
that's
sometime. We should go out or something.
Yeah, I like
strangely
that.
the name of the aunt of Franklin.
Okay, I'll catch you later, CJ.
Nice.
don't let 'em big guitars.
Oh no, it's not Clinton. Robinson actually, it's Clinton.
Doctors and lawyers.
Ooh, phone call.
What's up, sweet?
We got a problem. Some punk-ass base-ass fool has been slanging to his Grove brothers.
What? Who?
Check this out. He's been buying shit over in Glen Park. He know the hood is talking, and he's hiding out with his new ball of friends.
Shit, man. How we gonna get to him?
It's time for you to announce your return, CJ.
Oh
You
yeah.
fuck up Glen Park, and that turncoat bitch-ass nigga's gonna
This
lose her and make
sounds
a
like
break for it.
Doberman.
Okay, I'm gonna come pick you up.
Hell no. This is your gig, CJ. You need some stripes. Get over to Army Nation and get a heater.
Fuck yeah. That's Doberman, guys. That's fucking Doberman. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yeah. Alright.
Trying to fill a bitch up? I put in more work than any man.
What the fuck?
Never been divorced, just frequently widowed. I have a lot of black clothes. Food at funerals is great, and I get shit-faced every time.
Right, let's go to the gym, because that's what we do. Get some muscles. You can see the bar grow up with every fucking lift. It's amazing.
Watch your opponent. Know his move.
And
Watch what I'm doing.
maximum. Buffed up. Perfect. Now we can land some pretty decent hits. Spam. Fucking hurts my fingers, mate. Come on, CJ. Let's grow up this fucking condition. Nice. Well, condition is way harder to get than muscles. Dang, it's in there. I hate this song actually. That was close. Doberman, finally. Yeah, Glen Park. I know this place. Let's head in there.
I got everything a real patriot could want.
Wow. Well, a bit expensive since we already have our this, but however, we need it.
Hope you kick some ass. Wise choice, sir. Wise choice. Have fun. Perfect for killing.
Nice. Buy the cheap ammo and then the expensive gun. That's how it works here.
Works well in a crowded area.
Oh fuck, I forgot they use a different ammunition.
Hold it. Love it.
Fuck. Whatever.
Best not to mention where you got that, okay?
Well, that was expensive. We still got Molotovs. Oh yes. Let's go. Sorry. Shit. Well, we definitely can't use a star now. That's not good. Oh, yeah, we already lost him, alright. Alright then. Just checking the server status. Right, they're working on it. Let's see, Rockstar support. Shit, alright, 8 hours ago to post this. Well, I guess it will be up this day again, I hope. Alright, let's kill this group there.
Oh, you want this to get nasty? Give me that grip.
Yeah, fuck this shit.
Hey, I'll have that now.
Just another day in the ghetto.
Kill your ass. That's going in my retirement fund. Give me that money.
Alright, first wave done.
Screw you! Well, what you waiting for? What was you saying? Give me them chips.
Second wave.
Yeah, them my duckets now.
Fucking neighbor dog, shut up.
G's up, fool.
Got the hood, perfect.